In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your favicon on Squarespace. If you're looking to personalize or update the little icon that appears on your browser tab, you're in the right place. Favicon is a crucial part of your branding, and changing it is straightforward once you know where to look. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to your Squarespace site's main dashboard. This is where you'll be doing all the work to update your favicon. Once you're on your dashboard, keep an eye out for a gear icon. It's typically located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that gear icon to proceed. This click is your gateway to a variety of settings and options you might want to explore at some point. Now, after clicking the gear icon, you will see several options. But today, we are specifically interested in the favicon option. So, go ahead and locate favicon from the list that appears once you click the gear icon. Once you find it, click on it to start the process of changing your favicon. This is where you get to select and upload the image you want to represent you on the web browser tab. You'll notice a prompt asking you to add a favicon. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be offered a choice: either to upload a new file directly from your device or select an image that's already in your library. Decide where your desired favicon image is stored. If you have your image file saved on your computer, you'll select the upload option. If it's already in your Squarespace library, perhaps because you've used it before or uploaded for this purpose in advance, simply select from there. Once you choose the option that corresponds with where your file is located, the next step is to select your image. If you are uploading from your device, just click the button to browse your files and pick the image you've prepared. If you are choosing from your library, simply navigate to that image and select it. And voila! You have successfully selected your new favicon. There's not much more to it than that. Your favicon is now updated, and you should soon see the update reflected on your browser's tab. This subtle yet significant change is often overlooked, but plays a crucial role in your site's identity and branding. Before wrapping up, remember that it may take a little time for the changes to appear due to caching, so be patient if you don't see the update immediately. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your Squarespace favicon just the way you want it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or reach out for specific help. Have a wonderful day, adjusting and perfecting your online presence.